Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we are set up how to static IP configuration Ubuntu Linux by Netplan. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution. Also, we are how to get our for CK exam lab page. Let's go. This is my master node. This is my CK. There is just column. This and okay name given name in your master node or work on node 2 and click just next click and finish then get but we are get already this just where see or IP and it's no IP because it is not working until just where okay cd photo sf cd etc Netplan clear name 0. We are just one demo create here, but not this insert I E 0 S 3. It exactly just 8 here. Also we are default one this one. Let's go and init 6 reboot our machine. This is dot just go see our this is my solution. Here is the Linux cloud related video you can see and visit. I think I have many video and many idea here. Let's go. Our server is up or not up? Already up here. Just we are given this IP CK user. Yeah. Just yeah. IP 208. That's why I'm not connected. Edit host. Just our 208 have just start and edit just one and yeah our server is configured is done. Our IP configured. First of all we are sudo cd etc netplan name 00. Yeah, just you I can configure. Here is IP name GSCP and name and it is configured is done and also game yeah our IP is being in there. Thanks for watching.